In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. Now to access it, tap on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To make it tiny again, hit Home button. And to turn it into a bubble, swipe the tiny window to the side. Now to access your app again, use this line and click on the tiny window. In order to scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. By dragging it all the way down, you can open your app in full screen view. You can also open your app in full screen view by clicking on the top left corner. Last but not least, to close your app, you can swipe it in the background, or you can click on this X at the top right corner of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!